Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our previous video, we explored how to add the quick links widget to our page. Today we are diving into adding a dynamic carousel to our ServiceNow Employee Center. Navigate to the Employee Center. Ctrl right click and select Paging Designer. In the Page Designer, drag a container onto our page. Inside this container, add a row that spans all 12 columns to ensure full width display. Use the Widget Search bar to find the Carousel widget. Drag and drop it into the 12-column row. Click the pencil icon to edit the widget. Click on the menu, open in Platform. In the widget instance form, assign a unique ID to the widget. For example, Home Carousel. This ID is crucial for identifying the carousel when adding slides. Click Save to apply our changes. Scroll down to the Carousel Slides related list and click on New to add your first slide. Now let's fill in the following fields. Firstly, the name. For example, I am giving it as Slide 1. Next, order is pre-filled as 100. It controls the display sequence. URL. It is the optional one. In the background, upload your desired image. Save the slide. Similarly, add 2 more carousel slides. I have added 2 more slides as slide 2 and slide 3. Save the carousel. Now go back to the page designer and save it. Now navigate back to Employee Center and refresh the page. Your carousel should now be visible and rotating it as configured. That's it. You have successfully added a carousel to your ServiceNow Employee Portal. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more ServiceNow tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.